How to log in to Amazon on new country settings. When you travel or move to a new country, Amazon may show a different website. So make sure that you open the right website for the region. There's websites such as .com, .co.uk, .ca or .in. Make sure to check for the website according to your region. If you have the app installed, then you can simply open it. As you can see, I have installed the application, so I just navigated to the app. Now on the app at the bottom panel, you will see your profile icon. Click on it and sign in normally as you would. If you are using your laptop or PC, then you will need to do this through the website. Once you sign into your account, click on the setting gear icon at the top right corner. When you do that, then a menu like this will open. Right now I haven't signed in, but once you sign in, you will see an option called Country and Languages. Click on that and select your new country. Once you have changed the region, then you will face no problem. That's all for today. Thank you.